Hey there, cosmic explorers. Milky Way sparkles ever looked up at the night sky and thought, whoa, there's a whole universe out there, but then got distracted by a funny-shaped cloud? No worries, we've all been there. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey through space and time to uncover how the universe's rhythms influence our daily lives. So grab your space snacks, it's going to be a stellar ride. Rocket. Imagine standing under a blanket of twinkling stars, each one a tiny beacon in the vast expanse of space. Pretty awe-inspiring, right? Now, what if I told you that those distant suns aren't just pretty to look at? They're part of a cosmic rhythm that's been influencing life on Earth since, well, forever. Exploding head in this video, we're diving into the ancient wisdom of the cosmos. Don't worry, you won't need a degree in astrophysics to follow along. We'll keep things super simple. We'll explore how celestial cycles and rhythms have shaped human history and continue to impact our daily lives. By the end, you might just unlock the secrets to navigating your own life journey. No spaceship required. So whether you're a seasoned stargazer or you think Orion's belt is a new fashion trend, stick around. Shooting star. Section 1. Ancient wisdom of the cosmos. Let's turn back the clock, back, to a time before smartphones and social media. Yup, there was such a time. Fearful face, imagine ancient humans, sitting around campfires, gazing up at the night sky. With no Netflix to binge, the stars were the ultimate entertainment. Early humans were captivated by the celestial sphere. They noticed patterns: the sun rises and sets, the moon changes shape, certain stars appear during specific seasons. It was like the universe had its own playlist on repeat. Musical notes. Civilizations like the Babylonians and Egyptians took stargazing to the next level. But why were they so obsessed with the sky? Well, the heavens were their calendar, clock, and GPS all rolled into one. Across the globe, cultures wove celestial observations into the very fabric of their societies. The Mayans, for instance, created intricate calendars based on celestial events, predicting solar eclipses and planetary cycles with astonishing accuracy. Then there's Stonehenge in England, a prehistoric monument that has baffled historians for ages. Some say it was an ancient observatory, others think it was a druidic temple. In ancient China, astronomers kept detailed records of celestial happenings, believing they were omens affecting the emperor's reign. These celestial stories and observations weren't just about tracking time, they were integral to mythology, religion, and cultural identity. The stars connected people to the divine, to nature, and to each other. Section 2. The universe's rhythms and their influence. The universe isn't just a random scattering of stars, it's a well-choreographed dance of celestial bodies moving in predictable rhythms. First up, the lunar phases. The moon has been playing a monthly game of peekaboo with Earth since Earth got a moon. Next, the solar cycle. Approximately every 11 years, the sun's magnetic field flips, leading to periods of increased sunspots and solar flares. It's like the sun hitting puberty, awkward phases and all. Sun grimace. These cycles can affect satellite communications and even power grids on Earth. And let's not forget planetary alignments. When planets like Jupiter and Saturn line up, it's a spectacular sight. Remember the Great Conjunction of 2020? It was the closest those two had appeared in the sky in nearly 800 years. So, celestial cycles are cool and all, you say, but how do they actually impact me? Well, maybe not your Wi-Fi woes, but the universe's rhythms have had profound effects on human life. Agriculture. Farmers have long relied on celestial cues to plant and harvest crops. The idea is that the moon's phase can influence crop growth. Navigation. Sailors use the stars to navigate the seas. The North Star, Polaris, was like the original GPS, guiding pioneer sailors. Wave compass. It helped explorers traverse unknown waters. Human behavior. Some studies suggest that lunar cycles might influence human behavior. Ever noticed people acting a bit odd during a full moon? Societal structures. Celestial events often held significant cultural importance. Eclipses could herald the anger of the gods or the dawning of a new era. Section 3. Cosmic influences throughout history. Let's take a space walk down memory lane and see how ancient civilizations were influenced by the cosmos. The Mayans. These folks took celestial observation to the extreme. Their entire society was intertwined with astronomical events. Temples were aligned with solstices and equinoxes. Ancient Egypt. The pyramids weren't just fancy tombs. They were astronomically aligned. The Great Pyramid of Giza aligns almost perfectly with the cardinal points. Ancient China. Chinese astronomers recorded comets, supernovae, and planetary motions with incredible detail. These cosmic connections had real impacts on societal development. Advancements in science and math. Tracking celestial bodies required meticulous observations and calculations. Architecture and urban planning. Many ancient cities were designed with celestial alignments in mind. Cultural identity and religion. Celestial events often reinforced religious beliefs and cultural practices. Festivals were timed with solstices and equinoxes. Societal control. Leaders capitalized on celestial events to assert authority. Did you see that eclipse? Clearly, the gods are on my side. Section 4. Personal connections. Navigating our own journeys. Now, let's bring things back down to earth, or rather, back to you. How can understanding the universe's rhythms help us navigate our own lives? Time to get a little introspective. Face with monocle. The vastness of space can be humbling. Realizing that we're tiny specks on a small planet in an unfathomably large universe can put things into perspective. By embracing a cosmic perspective, we can find a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Understanding natural rhythms can also enhance our well-being. So, how can we apply this ancient wisdom? Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate celestial themes into your mindfulness practices. It's a stellar way to relax. Man in lotus position. Lunar and solar calendars. Use lunar phases to set intentions or reflect on goals. It's a natural rhythm that can add a little cosmic boost to your endeavors. Stay curious. Keep learning about the universe. Watch documentaries, read articles. The more you know, the more connected you'll feel. Celebrate celestial events. Mark dates of meteor showers, eclipses, and planetary alignments on your calendar. Share the experience with friends and family. By integrating these practices into our lives, we can tap into the ancient wisdom of the cosmos. Section 5. Conclusion. Recap of key insights. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground, or should I say, space? See what I did there? Nerd face. Let's take a moment to recap our journey through the stars. We've explored how ancient civilizations observed and interpreted celestial cycles, influencing everything from agriculture to architecture. We've seen how the universe's rhythms impact human life, both historically and today. And we've discovered ways to connect personally with the cosmos. Inspiration and call to action. So, what's next? Well, fellow travelers, the cosmos is calling, and it's a collect call you definitely want to accept. Phone Milky Way. I invite you to step outside tonight and look up. Feel the cool air, hear the whispers of the night, and gaze upon the same stars that inspired our ancestors. Consider how the universe's rhythms play a role in your life. Maybe it's finding peace in the predictable patterns of nature, or perhaps it's embracing the unknowns of the cosmos as a metaphor for life's mysteries. Share your experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your cosmic adventures. Shooting star. Remember, we're all part of this grand, universal dance. Each of us a note in the symphony of the cosmos, contributing to a melody that's been playing for eons. Thank you for joining me on this stellar exploration. If you enjoyed this voyage through space and time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey into the unknown. Until then, keep looking up and stay curious. Glowing star eyes. Cue funky space-themed outro music. Musical note satellite. As the screen fades, stars swirl into the shape of a wink and a thumbs up. Stay stellar, friends. Scissor.